Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade fruit dip. This simple recipe is perfect for parties or a sweet snack. You'll only need 3 main ingredients: softened cream cheese, marshmallow fluff, and a touch of vanilla extract. Having your cream cheese at room temperature is key for a smooth, lump-free dip. It's incredibly quick to prepare, taking less than 10 minutes from start to finish. First, take your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and beat it in a medium bowl until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. You can use an electric mixer or a sturdy whisk for this step. Next, gently fold in the 7 ounces of marshmallow fluff. This is where the magic happens, creating that light, sweet base for your dip. Continue mixing until everything is perfectly combined and has a uniform, airy texture. Now, for that essential touch of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This really enhances the sweetness and brings all the ingredients together beautifully. Once mixed, cover your fruit dip and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld and the dip to firm up slightly. It's fantastic with a variety of fruits like strawberries, grapes, or even crunchy pretzels. For best results, always serve this dip chilled. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 3 to 4 days. Feel free to get creative with your flavors. A little lemon zest or a dash of cinnamon can add a delightful twist. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.